Hello and welcome back for another big UC update. Today I'm joined by Esther Yun, VP of Product and Industry Marketing at RingCentral. Welcome to the show, Esther. I hope you're well.
Hi, I'm great. My name's Esther Yun. I am the VP of Product and Industry Marketing, and honestly, I'm quite a big fan of UC today.
Fantastic. Well, that's always great to hear. So, Esther, we've got a really great conversation today. You're going to be giving us a bit of an update on RingCentral. Should we dive straight into that conversation? Maybe you can give us a few insights on the roadmap this year, what's coming down the
Yeah,
line, and the features and benefits you're going to be delivering back to your customers as we move into 2024.
yeah, absolutely. Um, it wouldn't be fair to talk about 2024 without doing a quick nod to what we did in 2023, which was really where we launched our first real standalone AI product, RingSense for Sales, which is the ability to take all your interactions from calls, meetings, um, and extract them into a gold mine of insights, right? So if you're in sales, you're on calls all day long and either you're manually taking notes or managers are like, which deals are the ones I should be focusing on. RingSense for Sales does all of that for you, where it extracts your thousands and thousands of conversations across your organization, and gives you exactly what you need to move things forward in a timely manner. Um, that being said, we have had AI in our solutions for years. Meeting summaries, we were actually the first to launch this in our video solution. And so, why am I telling you this? Well, we're really going to lead the charge in 2024 to continue to bring more AI across all the ways people work. Um, think about how we work today in terms of all the menial and manual tasks that probably take up more time than it should. Well, in 2024, you're going to see features, and I'll give you an example of um, AI writers using generative AI to help you tap into an infinite amount of creativity, right? A lovely example I'm going to use because I'm a marketer myself is, for example, our RingCentral events platform. Is going to have a built-in AI writer so that you can create the best, most compelling event titles, descriptions, and literally do it in a fraction of the time. The other thing is it's going to take your recordings at your events and slice and dice them and optimize them for social automatically. So it's like having a content manager who's like, hey, you ran this awesome event. I've already optimized it for Instagram Reels, for TikTok, and here are the sound bites. It's ready for you to post. So all of that automation, it won't require that extra training. It's making AI easy and accessible to even non-technical users. And RingCX, another huge product, which is a native AI-first contact center solution. That is absolutely a disruptive solution in many ways, mostly because it's making powerful contact center solutions accessible to the masses without massive upfront costs. It's built with AI so that, things like taking notes, understanding how these customer interactions are going to move deals forward or where you should focus on. I use the analogy of, you have all these interactions and there are these needles and haystacks, and it's like you're holding a giant magnet. So you know exactly how to find what you need to, close the deal, move it forward, solve a problem, or help your agents and reps get more, just personalized training. So that's kind of a sneak peek. You're also going to see a lot more AI bringing automation across every single persona in your organization. From helping sales take notes and having these notes follow your interaction history. A great example is, sales reps, especially business development representatives, they probably take dozens of calls a day. And it's really hard to keep track of all of these conversations. So if you have an AI companion that's taking notes for you in real time, it understands the semantics of that conversation and can distill a 30-minute conversation in a 60-second takeaway for you to get caught up. Um, if you go back to your call history, you could be like, oh, what was that conversation I had? Oh, I got a little, what I call Cliff Note summary of it, and you can easily get caught up on all these interactions and have it follow you whether you're in real time or after the interaction and you want to, get a quick refresher. So Um, that is at a high level from a user experience standpoint, a lot of the AI that we're going to bring. So think more productivity, more automation, more accessibility for every type of user in your organization, from contact center agents to marketers to sales. Um, and lastly, we're building our AI so it's like Lego pieces, meaning it's designed so that our customers can actually build AI into their own products and services. So we offer AI APIs, and we're going to continue to enhance these APIs so that if you want to extract sentiment analysis and provide it as part of your own products and solutions, you can actually incorporate that with our what we call a composable platform and composable communications. So that's a quick snippet. But I think it's safe to say that you're going to see a lot of AI, and we're going to make it really valuable and easy to use for everybody.
Fantastic. I mean, look, there's AI really is everywhere right now. I'm going to ask you a little bit of a follow up question here, Esther.
Yeah.
Um, Clearly, like every big vendor in this space is experimenting or rolling out AI in one way or another. How is RingCentral really bringing their flavor of AI and ensuring that you're going to stay ahead of the rest when it comes to this sort of AI race we all seem to find ourselves in?
Yeah, so being the leader in cloud voice, we have a unique advantage where we have so much conversation data. We're the we've been the leaders in voice communications for, ever since we really entered the cloud communications space, and being able to train our AI on top of that, on top of those types of data that we hold is incredibly powerful in enabling high quality generative AI and conversation intelligence. And so I think that's a distinct advantage that we've had is also that we didn't just start AI this year. We had a Deep Effects acquisition about 2 or 3 years ago. It's been something that we've been working on and building IP around for quite some time. The other thing that we're doing is making it composable, which is definitely unique to RingCentral. It's one thing to have it injected across your portfolio, but one, making it composable so if our own customers want to build it and extend it to their own products and services, that is incredibly powerful. So you're now being able to connect the services that you offer your customers and the way your employees communicate, and it's all just kind of one stream, simplified AI platform. Um, the flip side is just the completeness of our communications offering, right? So the AI is only as powerful as the data and the inputs that it receives. So if you have disjointed communications, by nature, the AI that's trying to extract insights across those interactions will be disjointed and maybe in essence incomplete. So we have, a full business communications suite of unified communications for phone, messaging, video, and then we have our own native contact center solution, and then we have webinars, and then we have RingCentral events. So it really touches this the widest variety of use cases and completeness of cloud communication solutions offered for every line of business and employee persona in your organization. And I think that is why so many organizations rely on us, not only to power the communications, but they're choosing us as, the AI communications leader to boost the productivity and efficiency of their organizations.
Well, Esther, that sounds amazing. I'm really looking forward to watching RingCentral's journey around its AI story, particularly into 2024. Unfortunately, that is all we have time for right now. But thank you so much for joining me and sharing some of your insights.
Thank you so much for having me.
And thank you for watching. You'll be watching me, David Dungay, on UC Today. If you want to follow all the big UC updates, you can do so on social media by using the big UC Update 24 hashtag. That's it from me. See you next time.